Business was not booming at the old ReStore location by the Zazinia International Market on 13th Street.
Which was a good location, but it was right in the heart of the city and we weren't reaching as many people.
But you can find affordable grocery stores and retail stores at the intersection of Northwest 6th Street and 23rd Avenue.
So we have Ward's Supermarket across the street, we have National Vacuum over there, and we also have the Alachua Feed and Seed very close nearby.
And now Habitat for Humanity's ReStore shop has joined the loop, which means more foot traffic for the nonprofit thrift store. The nonprofit part means the money made here goes straight to the organization to help families. The store is filled with items from the Gainesville community. Everything in here, from this book to this basket, are all donations from locals. And every donation here contributes to a purchase, which is another donation to the families.
All of these items are going to be repurposed in some sort of way. So we divert a lot of things from the landfills.
And that's my goal. Get out there, letting Alachua County know that, hey, we're here. We will take your donations. If you're having that yard sale and you've got things left over you don't know what to do with, call us. We'll come pick it up.
But the new ReStore building is still not done expanding.
Well, we're going to have the building back, which is a brand new big building.
Which means more room for more donations. And another reason to celebrate.
Cut.
Great job.
Fariha Abrar, WUFT News.